Hey everybody, so today I started out making a tic-tac-toe board, but I wound up making something completely different. So I'm starting out using some Nic Pro resin and adding some gold flakes in there and just mixing it up really well. Now I have eye candy, Satori, white pigment paste, and I just put a tiny little bit in there in that little cup of resin, and I'm mixing that up as well too. And now let's resin black pigment paste. Used a lot of different products in this one. Now I have some gold glitter by HTV Rot. And I have some Timu Chameleon powder, which is champagne golden green in color. Now I have my eye candy 14 karat gold nugget mica and small tongue mica in the color of golden blue. So I'm just starting off by doing a dirty pour into my X's and O's with my gold flakes, black, white, and then I'm doing the black, white, and gold flakes again. Now I'm just starting to add my resin to the tic-tac-toe board, and I'm not really doing this in any sort of order. I'm just adding them as I see fit.
Just take your dreams. stop me, and you can't keep me down, 'cause I believe it's my life. Who do you think you are? It's my life. Who do you think you are?
So. Okay. Here is the back, and the back looks so amazing. So I will definitely be using this for something. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh. Okay. It's pretty, actually. I wish the front looked like the back, but this is very glittery. Even though this would have been absolutely fine as a tic-tac-toe board, I think I want to go in a different direction when I make the tic-tac-toe board. So I'm changing this. I am going to make this into wall art. So I really do like how this side came out. So I took my Cricut and I went ahead and let me just cut a little bit off of here. I went ahead and typed the word home in there, and I'm using Lucida Calligraphy is the font that I used. Let's see how it came out. I did go with the blue because this does have hints of blue in it, so I think it won't clash. And let's see how this will look. This is permanent vinyl. So once it's on, it's not coming off. I may resin over it too, I don't know. Okay. Right there. Okay. So now that's what we got. Home, yay. That's very pretty. I like it. And then I have somewhere these little hooks that I think one hook should be enough for this. Not that heavy. Okay. So this should be pretty easy. I'm just going to UV resin my little hook to the back so it can hang on the wall. So here we go. It's just gonna hang on the wall like that. And it says home. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe down below. Thanks again for watching. Bye.